Algarve Lovers, and welcome to our channel. And today we're in the Old Town of Albufeira, right near where the lift is. There's like another bridge just a bit further past. I've never been to it before. I'm actually stood on it now. I'll spin the camera around, guys. So we've got the lift in the background there, and the good news for you guys who are coming to Albufeira is it's actually working. I don't know for how long, but I've had many questions about when's it going to be repaired. So the good news is it is now. And I just want to point out there's a little restaurant there. It's called O Penedo, with stunning views of the sea on that terrace there. The food in there is really nice, and it's way cheaper than the ones on the front over there. But look at that view from here, guys. Absolutely beautiful. I'm going to have a walk down to Pescadores Beach, and hopefully we'll see some nice things along the way that I can point out to you. Look at the view they've got there, guys. That must be worth a few quid, that house. So I've never actually walked past the lift before, and I stumbled on that. Didn't know it was there. So there's a little traditional Portuguese bar at the end here. So it is England's opening day today for the first game. So I anticipate it's going to be pretty busy. It might not be at the moment, but in the next hour or two it will. It is the entrance to O Penedo. You can't really see from there, but it has got beautiful sea views. This restaurant here, the Indian Ocean, been recommended that as well to go there. It's supposed to be really nice. So that's another one on the hit list. So we might see the elevator in action here, guys. Let's have a look. Yep, there's people queuing up to you. There we go. First time I've seen it working, that. And there's the view, guys. I've yet to come in, that bar's open down there, because we tend to come out of season, never really in July and August, so that's probably why. But it does look stunning. You've got the Solimar Hotel right on the beach in the background there. We will be doing a vlog on that very shortly. Every room's got a sea view. It's supposed to be really nice. It's adults only, no children allowed in there. So check that one out, guys. So if you don't use the lift, then you've got to go use these babies here. Hundreds of them, hundreds of steps. So you need to be pretty active and fit to get up them stairs. Oh, looks stunning, that. Really nice. We are at the end of June, guys, and it's roasting. 35 degrees. A little shoppy, okay? Got a little stall selling dresses, skirts, bikinis for the ladies. Little ice cream stand there, and it's called the Blue Bar. That one, I've not been in there. It looks very nice. Spotlessly clean around here. There's another one, the Ocean Bar. I'm going to drop down a pretty steep hill in a minute, guys. But that's where we'll end up, just down there. And look at this, all these tiles, beautiful. Got a bit of a chill out entertaining on here, guys. Wow. It's absolutely stunning, Albufeira Old Town. Beautiful. So we're not far off the bars and the restaurants now. Now all these, I think there's 3 next door to each other. There's 2 restaurants and then a cocktail bar, and they've all got absolutely stunning views. And we've actually eaten in bar 54. Have a look at our library, guys, and check it out if you fancy seeing what the food's like. So there's the first one, bar 54, and you'll be able to just see in the background some beautiful sea views there, stunning. So there's a little restaurant next door to it. I've not actually eaten in that one, but it's got the same views. And I think, is this place open? This is a cocktail bar. I don't know if it's open. It is, yeah. That's also got absolutely stunning views. We do a left here at the tattoo shop, and then we'll drop down by all the busy parts. First restaurant we come to is Casa Da Fonte, which is just on the right there. We've reviewed that one, that's really nice. Typical Portuguese restaurant. That also has a roof terrace that you can hire out, like if there's a party of you. We've got Old David's here. I've not actually tried that one yet. We can't try them all. We've got the Terrazza Italian here. So there's the main street. Well, not the main street, there's one of the streets with all the restaurants on. That first one there, Alfredo, is absolutely beautiful Italian restaurant. We're going to pop through the tunnel. So that's the Solimar up there, the hotel. And next to that you got Casa del Mar. That's a restaurant, and above that it's got a beautiful cocktail bar, stunning views, which you'll see in 1 minute. This guy's always here. If I had a few pennies, I'd give him. I've got any change. So it's lovely and cool in the tunnel. Wish it was like that out there. So the first thing you come to is the ice cream parlour. One on either side. Oh, it's a bar actually. Got this lovely restaurant, Esplanada de Tunnel. I haven't eaten there yet, but that's another on the list. Look at the views they've got, guys. Beautiful. And there's the cocktail bar that I just said before, up there. And this is Solimar. Every room has a sea view. Absolutely beautiful. So before I go, guys, I'll just spin the camera around. Before I go, guys, head over to our website, algarvelove.com, for a chance to win 4 nights in the Algarve in a beautiful 4-bedroom villa with a spectacular pool, Casa Sangria. Head over there, fill in a simple little registration form, and boom, you have the chance to win. You've got to be in it to win it, guys. So head over there. If you like this video, hit the like button. If you'd like to see more of our videos, please smash that subscribe button. Hope to see you in the next one, guys. Ciao for now.